So again, here's an example of we had a problem. We wanted to be able to run this logic as many times as it took until we successfully presented the user with the output they wanted. And we solved it by looping, which again just goes line by line by line by line until it hits the end, and then it goes back up here. Then it checks to see, is this condition still true or false? If it's true, we'll continue and go through the loop again. Then we'll hit the end. Then we'll jump back up. Then we'll test, is this condition true yet? Or is this condition false yet? If it ends up being false, then we exit the while loop. When we exit the while loop, we jump all the way from the beginning of the block to all the way to the end of the block and skip everything in the middle. Jason?
Yeah.
So how are you feeling about loops? Have you learned about loops yet?
I don't know, man. They're confusing. No, that's good.
Okay. While loops are, or looping in general, whiles are not the only types of loops, and we'll get into other kinds later. Looping in general and conditional logic is pretty much the only control flow that you need in order to write virtually any program. You can do a lot of stuff with this approach that we have.